Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Biolage, the Hydrasource Shampoo and Conditioning Balm Set. If you're looking for a solution to hydrate and moisturize your dry, damaged hair, this might just be the perfect match for you. Biolage has formulated this set inspired by the hydrating properties of the aloe plant. It's completely paraben-free, vegan, and designed to optimize moisture balance for healthy-looking hair. With claims of up to 15 times more moisturized hair after just one application, let's see if it lives up to the hype. The shampoo gently cleanses while balancing moisture, leaving your hair with a weightless, soft finish. It's infused with Biolage's Aroma Science fragrance, which adds a pleasant touch to your haircare routine. Moving on to the conditioning balm, formulated for medium to coarse hair types. This deep conditioner not only hydrates but also nourishes and repairs. It's sulfate-free and seals the hair's cuticle to lock in moisture, resulting in softer, more manageable hair with added shine. For optimal results, Biolage recommends applying the shampoo to wet hair, lathering gently, and rinsing thoroughly. Follow up with the conditioning balm, leaving it in for 1 to 3 minutes before rinsing. This duo promises to transform dry, damaged hair into a hydrated and revitalized mane. Now, while we won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the hydrating benefits and the salon-like quality Biolage products bring to their daily haircare routines. The consensus often revolves around improved moisture retention and noticeable softness after just a few uses. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable shampoo and conditioner set that tackles dryness and leaves your hair feeling nourished and revived, the Biolage Hydrasource Shampoo and Conditioning Balm Set is definitely worth considering. Its vegan formulation and commitment to moisture balance make it a standout choice in the realm of hair care. That wraps up our review today. If you've tried this product before or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, take care and keep exploring new products that enhance your everyday life.